ghosted after Momo, and I'm losing my mind. Hi guys, female 22 here, he's male 23. We met on Bumble, super vibing online, like ang saya ng banter namin. May tension na talaga, so we decided to meet. Ayun, nagmomol kami, please don't judge. Pero legit, akala ko mutual yung connection. Hindi awkward, may chemistry, halos maglapat kaluluwa namin sa intensity. After the meetup, nag-message siya ng, JGH, thanks sa time kanina. Tapos, wala na. As in, dead air. 24 hours, 48 hours, still nothing. Ang labo, kasi okay naman yung vibe namin. He even said you're a good kisser. So bakit mo ko ginhost? Hindi naman ako in love ha, pero nakaka-bad trip yung biglang cold vanish after all that energy. Parang ang clingy pa nga niya nung magkasama kami, like holding my hand, forehead kiss, etc. So ngayon di ko alam kung nag-amnesia siya, may GF pala, or ako lang talaga yung for the moment. Should I reach out or hayaan ko na? Kasi low-key, gusto ko siyang sapakin and sabay tanungin, so anong nangyari?